what's up YouTube? It's me, Blake. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sitting inside the F-150 because I'm getting ready to take it to the mechanic's house. He's actually going to be putting a new part in there for me today. I got some new blow-off valves for the truck. I got some from Turbosmart. It's actually the Turbosmart Kompact Shortie dual port blow-off valves. Now, getting new blow-off valves for your 3.5 liter Ecoboost F-150 is definitely a must-need upgrade if you're wanting to run tunes with higher boost levels, due to the fact that the stock blow-off valves cannot handle the higher boost levels that some tunes can put out. So by running a tune with higher boost level with the stock blow-off valves can cause engine wear. So I've been wanting to get these for a while. They actually make an awesome sound whenever you let your foot off the gas with these ones right here from Turbosmart. So I've been really excited about these, and I was gonna put them on myself, and I actually watched a bunch of videos on how to do it. All you got to do is just unbolt three, I can't remember which size, but it's 3 Allen keys on there that hold the blow-off valve in, and there's just one small hose that's connecting to it. You just have to disconnect the hose, undo the 3 bolts, and take out the blow-off valve, put in the new one, and then just repeat on the other side. Simple as that. But the thing is that whenever I went to take off my inner fender liner to access the blow-off valve, because the blow-off valve is behind the inner fender liner, so whenever I tried to take off the inner fender liner to reach the blow-off valve, there's actually wires that are connecting to my inner fender liner. Now, I didn't want to mess with those because I didn't want to mess up anything electronically with the truck, and I would imagine that it might have been for my power running boards, because it is a platinum. Whenever you open the doors, the running boards actually come out by themselves and then re-go up whenever you shut the door. Now, I would imagine that those wires are going to that, and so I didn't want to mess with any of those. And this guy that I'm taking the truck to, he is a very trusted mechanic, very smart guy. He knows a lot about trucks and cars, so I'm gonna take him the truck with the blow-off valves, and he'll definitely be able to get them put on there for me. And then once we get the truck back, I'm gonna show you guys how it sounded after. And right now I'll play a clip for you guys of how the truck sounded before the blow-off valves. That way you'll get an idea of, you know, the kind of difference that it will make for the sound. And so I'm gonna play this sound clip for you guys, and then once we get the truck back, I will show you guys how it sounds, and as well as how it performs. Okay guys, before I play the sound clip, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the blow-off valve itself. This is a Turbosmart dual port Kompact Shortie blow-off valve. You will need 2 of them, and they are $170 each. This is what the valve looks like itself. As you can see, it is adjustable from a softer to a harder setting depending on how much boost you're running, up to 30 psi, and so you will have to adjust it accordingly until you've reached desired sound and performance. It also comes with new hardware in order to get your new valves installed, as well as it comes with this cool sticker from Turbosmart. And so, like I said, I'm going to play a quick sound clip for you guys of how the truck sounds right now before the valve is installed, and then once we get the truck back, I'll come back on camera, I'll talk with you guys a little bit, and then I will show you how it sounds and performs after the blow-off valves are installed. Guys, it is now the next day. We already got the truck back last night. The install only took a few hours, and the truck is sounding awesome and it's performing awesome. As you guys can see right here, I'm wearing an Ecoboost custom twin turbo t-shirt. I actually made this shirt myself. If you want to get one of your own, just check it out on my website at ecobeastcustoms.com. Ecobeast with a 0, just like my YouTube. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. And so let me just show you guys the valves, how they look real quick on the truck, before I show you guys how it's sounding and performing. Okay guys, so for those of you that are new to the channel, this is my 2011 Ford F-150 Ecoboost. It is very dirty right now because it had just rained the day before we took it to the mechanic, as well as it was very muddy at his house. If you want to see a quick walk around of that truck, check out the first video on my channel. This is my 2002 BMW 330 Ci. It actually has a 5.3 liter Vortec LS swap under the hood. This is definitely a very fun car to drive. If you want to check out the first day we got that car, I actually did a video. You can check that out on the channel as well. And so like I said, I'm going to show you guys the valves. So right behind the inner fender liner, there's the new valves already installed. And like I said, they are definitely giving off some awesome noises when you let your foot off the gas, as well as I know they're going to prolong the longevity of my engine life. And so like I said, I'm going to show you guys some quick sound clips of how the new valves are sounding. We're now in the F-150, so I can get some sound clips with the new valves installed for you guys. As you can see, my check engine light is on. That is not from the new blow-off valves though. That is from my MBRP catless downpipe. Obviously, because there's no catalytic converters in that downpipe as opposed to the stock one having catalytic converters. When you get that installed, that will throw your check engine light, but that's easily taken off with a custom tune, which I will be doing eventually. But for now, I just have the check engine light on and there is no issues. The truck is running great. And just to let you know, these blow-off valves from Turbosmart do not send any check engine light through your truck, so you will not have any codes popping up and you will not have that check engine light on the dash. And so real quick, before I get going and show you guys how it's sounding, I did want to let you guys know how to adjust the valves. So whenever you install them, obviously all the way to the left is the softest setting, all the way to the right is the hardest setting, up to 30 PSI. And so after it's installed, you will have to adjust it accordingly until you've reached your desired sound and performance. So what I did was I checked my tune from SET. It has 15 pounds of boost. So obviously if the hardest setting is 30, I just adjusted it halfway and that should be 15, and it's sounding great and performing great right there. And so that's how I adjusted mine. I would definitely check how much boost you're running with your tune before adjusting. And so I'm now going to pull out onto the road here and show you guys how the valves are sounding. They don't make very much noise unless you do spool up the turbos pretty high, so I'm gonna have to give it a bit of gas. And whenever you let your foot off immediately from the gas pedal and the pressure is released from the turbos, it gives you that cool blow off sound. And so let me get right out onto this road and I will get it going for you guys. So as you can see, once you get it spooled up there and then you just immediately release your foot from the gas, you're gonna hear that cool blow-off sound. Now at a red light again, I'm gonna get one more, pull in this clip right here, and then I'm gonna get some more clips for you guys and then we'll close the video out. Okay guys, so we are back at my house, and as you can see, the truck is sounding great and is performing great as well. I would definitely recommend these blow-off valves to anyone with the 3.5 liter Ecoboost F-150 looking to add an awesome sound when you let your foot off the pedal, or just prolong engine longevity whenever running an aftermarket tune. And so if you guys have any questions about the build or any questions about these parts specifically, please leave a comment down below as well. Please subscribe to the channel as well as like the video. And if you guys want to keep up to date on the channel or my custom shirts on my website, please follow me on Instagram at EC0 BEAST, Ecoboost with a 0, same as my YouTube. And like I said, thank you guys for watching.